Alright, let's quickly do an analysis on Euro USD for next week. Firstly, what we are going to do is we are going to pick a short information. We don't need all this information for us to do our analysis. We just need as little as, let me say, this from this point. From this point, that's what we need. So let's get started. Firstly, there's a break here. There's a break of structure here, and there is another one here. Goes very close. All right, this is a failed break of structure. It's a failed break of structure right here. So this becomes an inducement. This zone becomes an inducement. That was a failed break of structure. This is a sweep of liquidity. See liquidity. A sweep of liquidity. So for us to pick our entry and for us to pick a valid entry, the zone has to have a liquidity sweep before a break of structure and also a fair value gap very close to it for it to be valid. So what we see here, okay, there's a liquidity sweep here. There's a liquidity sweep here. All right. Sorry. All right. So I pick this zone. Sorry. I'm not so sure about this zone, but I'll check the lower time frame. Oh no, it's a bad one. It's a bad one. It's a bad one. Price has already mitigated the zone and failed already. So what we are going to do now is to wait for the market to reopen and know the reaction we are going to get before we can find a re-entry. And this is a liquidity sweep. This is a liquidity sweep. That's all for now. But this zone is not a valid zone because there is no clear there is no clear liquidity sweep around this area before that lead to the break of structure. There is no clear one. The liquidity sweep is very far from the break of from the other block, I mean, and that's why price use this zone as a liquidity.